global balance of military power is shifting. For years, the US and Europe have been the undisputed leaders in military aviation and defense technology, but now China's stepping up to challenge that dominance. The Chinese People's Liberation Army, PLA, is pushing the envelope with its Y-20 strategic transport aircraft, a formidable weapon built to take on the best the world has to offer. But this isn't just another aircraft. The Y-20 is a symbol of China's ambition to compete on the world stage, a next-gen powerhouse designed to redefine the limits of military mobility. It's not only about sheer strength, it's about speed, innovation, and adaptability, qualities that could change the game in future warfare. The Y-20, also known as the Kunpeng, meaning mythical rock in Chinese, is a strategic transport aircraft developed by China's Xi'an Aircraft Industrial Corporation. First taking flight in 2013, it marks a major leap in China's military aviation capabilities. The Kunpeng is built to transport large payloads over long distances, making it a vital asset for rapid deployment and global operations. With a maximum takeoff weight of over 200 tons and a cargo capacity of up to 66 tons, the Y-20 is capable of carrying oversized equipment like tanks, heavy vehicles, and troops. Its powerful turbofan engines allow it to fly at speeds of up to 800 kilometers per hour, with a range of about 4,500 kilometers, allowing China to project military power across vast distances. The Y-20 is not just a heavy lift transport, it's a strategic asset that enhances China's ability to conduct rapid deployments and long-range operations. Whether for military operations, humanitarian missions, or peacekeeping tasks, the Kunpeng is poised to challenge the airlift capabilities of Western giants like the US C-17 Globemaster, significantly boosting China's global reach. China's strategy isn't just about matching the West, it's about surpassing it. While scientists and engineers lead the technological revolution, something unique is happening within the PLA's ranks. The troops who actually fly the Y-20 are playing a vital role in its ongoing evolution. With hardware and software upgrades happening at an unprecedented pace, even primary-level troops are innovating with cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing to enhance the aircraft's capabilities. We're not just flying the Y-20, we're actively involved in improving it. From forming software development teams to using 3D printing for faster upgrades, we're making sure the Y-20 stays ahead of the curve. From avionics to engine systems, the Y-20 is continuously evolving. With its open architecture design, the aircraft can integrate new hardware and software in record time, keeping it on the cutting edge of military transport technology. The integration of 3D printing means these upgrades can happen faster than ever before, an essential advantage as global military technologies race ahead. It's the pilots who truly understand the Y-20's potential. They know exactly what works and what needs improvement. That's why they're playing a crucial role in shaping its future. The Y-20's flexibility and constant upgrades give China a strategic edge. The Y-20 is not just a piece of military equipment, it's a key player in China's broader military strategy. In an era where rapid response and long-range capabilities are critical, the Y-20 strategic delivery capability becomes a powerful tool in ensuring China's global reach. It's all part of a bold move to challenge the air superiority held by the US and Europe. And China's ambitions don't stop at the Y-20. With the rapid development of aircraft carriers, China is reshaping its naval power too, from having no carriers just a few years ago to now owning 3, including domestically built ones with advanced catapult launch system. China is setting the stage to compete on every front. The leap from no carriers to 3 has been monumental. We're not just playing catch up, we're creating our own path. China's military modernization is entering a new era. But the real game changer, unmanned and intelligent technologies. As China moves towards a new kind of warfare where battles span multiple dimensions, the role of AI and autonomous systems will redefine combat strategies. Future warfare will be more unpredictable than ever. Unmanned systems, AI, and advanced technologies will change how we engage in combat. China's military readiness will rely on the ability to innovate at every level. As the race for military superiority intensifies, China's innovations with the Y-20 aircraft carriers and AI-driven technologies are signaling a new era. The US and Europe may have had the lead, but the game is changing. The PLA is determined to prove that they are not just contenders, they're in it to win. China's military ambitions are clear, and with the Y-20 at the forefront, the world will soon see just how far they're willing to go to take the lead. Will the West rise to the challenge? Or will China's relentless innovation redefine global power? Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more updates on the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future of warfare.